Hello my friends and welcome back to my channel. The reason why I'm on here looking like a potato is because today we are going to be reviewing and doing an all-day wear test of the e.l.f. Camo CC Cream. I know this has been out for a while, but I'm so excited. I've done so many reviews and all-day wear tests of products from the e.l.f. Camo line, so I'm so excited to try this out. If you guys want to see how this wears on like normal to dry skin, then definitely please keep watching. I'm also going to include me playing with this little e.l.f. and just seeing how their eyeshadows wear. I haven't tried these little bite-sized quads yet, so I'm really excited about that. I'll do like a quick little rundown of this. The main focus of the video is going to be on this guy. Before we go anywhere, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell. I upload new videos on here every Wednesday and Friday. Also, don't forget to check me out on TikTok and on Instagram. Love you guys. Let's get in the video. Alright guys, so my skin is re-moisturized. It has been feeling so dry lately that I feel like the second that I moisturize it, it like instantly dries up again. So now I'm just gonna quickly prime one side with the primer that I normally use during this time of year. It's the NYX Marshmallow Primer. But I also want to see how the e.l.f. primer works with this guy, since I know brands will sometimes make products for them all to work together. So I want to try this one. This one still works for me all year round. This one just works better. Sometimes I feel like when I start filming, I forget how to speak English. But basically, I want to see how my everyday primer works with this product, but then I also want to see how a primer within the e.l.f. line will work with the e.l.f. product. So I'm going to put the NYX primer on this side and then the e.l.f. one on this side. Okay. I really like the way both of these primers leave my skin feeling. I feel like they're very similar. The only difference is that one is more of like a liquid moussey form, and then this one's obviously like a thicker putty. Alright, so now let's get into the star of the show, the e.l.f. Camo CC Cream. I got mine in the shade Light 280N. I hope that this is a good match. I also had my eye on the 240, I think, W, but when I went back to Target to get it, it was gone. They didn't have any more left. This product retails for $14, and it's said to have a color correcting full coverage natural finish. It's supposed to have skin loving ingredients such as collagen, peptides, and niacinamide. It has SPF 30 in it, which is really nice. On the back of the bottle, it says, ditch your basic foundation. This color correcting cream is the only product you need to achieve a natural looking complexion, but with full coverage. A multitasking dream cream infused with peptides, niacinamide that plumps and hydrates and smooths the appearance of your skin while protecting with SPF. Also infused with skin loving collagen. It says apply 1 to 2 pumps of the CC cream to clean skin to achieve an airbrush finish, whereas a moisturizer and full coverage foundation depending on your needs. So that's honestly incredible, because I feel like a lot of times with my skin being on the drier side right now in these cooler months, I'll put on foundation, it'll instantly cling to like drier patches or show just like any scaly marks on my face. So hopefully if this is also a moisturizer too, it'll like melt into my skin a little bit better. I have really high hopes for this. I'm really praying that it works really good. This is what the packaging looks like. I'm obsessed with the fact that it comes with a pump. It feels really nice. Ooh, it feels like a balm consistency. I have high hopes. The only thing is that this color is a little bit too dark and warm for me right now, but I'm gonna try it anyway because my face is a lot more paler than my body. So since this is more of a balmy texture, I'm going to apply one side with a brush and then one side with a sponge just to compare the coverage. So I'm gonna apply this side with the brush. Ooh. Okay, yeah, so I 100% could have gone in with a much lighter color, but I do think it blends in with my neck, okay, which is good. This goes on really nice. Do you guys see the coverage that just gave me? That is one pump of product. And I don't know if you guys saw earlier, I had like these little blemishes here. That is completely covered. I am honestly a little shook. That is crazy. Okay, so just based off of this side, I'm already insanely impressed. So far, it hasn't been doing the thing where it will like cling to any dry flakes or patches of skin. It's giving me this most like stunning natural skin glow, but it's like full coverage, but it doesn't look cakey. I have no words. I'm really shook right now, and I promise I'm not just saying that. I'm gonna try this side with the beauty sponge. I still have some product left on the back of my hand. Actually, I'll do another little pump. Again, sometimes products like this I feel like don't apply as good with a sponge, but we'll see. y'all. So the sponge obviously sheared the product out more on this side. However, it still kept that full coverage. All of my blemishes and all that are concealed. I like them both equally the same, applied with a brush and with a sponge. This is beautiful. I'm so blown away. Why did it take me so long to try this product? I need to make like a CC concealer. I also picked up this e.l.f. putty blush in the shade Turks and Caicos. I have the shade Bora Bora, but I haven't tried this color before, so I'm also gonna pop that on. Oh, this color is so pretty. This is making me want it to be summer. I'm gonna kind of speed through this, but I'm gonna quickly create a look using the Bite Size eyeshadow trio in the shade Truffle, and I'll let you guys know how these blend, and then I'll also keep you posted on how they end up wearing throughout the day. I just used the e.l.f. Hydrating Camo Concealer to prime my eyelids. So far the shadow is blending really nice, so let's pray that it wears and all that just as good. Alright you guys, so I finished up the rest of my makeup and this is what my skin is looking like. I am so impressed so far. It feels so lightweight, like it doesn't feel like I have foundation on. It really doesn't feel like I have anything on, but it's giving me really good coverage. It's just sitting really smooth. It's not clinging to any dry patches. It's late in the day. I started filming pretty late, but it's 3:32. I plan on keeping this on until about 9 or 10 o'clock before I wash my face for the evening. So that'll be a 6 to 7 hour wear. We're gonna see how it goes. I'm praying my skin doesn't have a bad reaction or that this doesn't break me out, because so far I'm absolutely loving this. Let's see if it wears just as good as it looks right now. Yeah, and then also the eyeshadow, like I said, it blended okay. You can see out here it's looking a little patchy. I think that if I would have spent more time working and like building up the colors, I could get them to look better, but the look wasn't so much of a focus on the eyes. So yeah, we'll also see how the shadows wear, see if they break up and all of that. Yeah, I'll check in with you guys in about an hour. Keep watching if you want to see how this wears throughout the day. All right guys, so my makeup has been on for almost 2 hours. It's currently 5:12, so about an hour and 45 minutes. So far I'm so obsessed with how this product is wearing on my skin. Like, look how even it looks. I really hope that this continues to wear really well, because this will be my holy grail go-to face product if it continues to wear and look like this. My skin just looks so like dewy and healthy, but not like greasy or shiny. It doesn't feel heavy or cakey on the face. Normally, like if I'm wearing a full face of makeup and just sitting around the house, I'm like just itching to wipe off my face and take everything off. But with this, it just feels so lightweight and beautiful. And I also think that the eye makeup is wearing pretty good as well. I'll definitely check in with you guys in another few hours and let you guys know how it keeps wearing. But so far, I'm obsessed. Hi guys, I'm back for the final check-in in my beauty room. My makeup has been on for 6 hours. It's currently 9 o'clock. And this is what we are looking like. I first want to start off by saying that my skin has been so dry lately that normally by this time when I have my makeup on, it's like flaking off, or there's like just patches. It just doesn't look this smooth and even. But I feel like this foundation has worn really nice and even, or CC cream has worn really nice and even. I definitely have a lot of glow, but I am not mad at that. I have not seen my skin this dewy in so long. I definitely think that with this glow, this foundation is definitely better for somebody with more normal to dry skin. If you're oily, you're going to want to use a more mattifying primer and a more mattifying powder to really set and lock it in place. I use a very minimal amount of powder because I wanted to see my skin look very healthy and glowy because of how dry it's been these past couple months. Another thing I wanted to mention is there is some movement here. I was doing a lot of editing. I was like laying down. It was like a lazy chill Sunday, so I was doing a lot of this, all of that. So there is some movement of the foundation there. It's off of the tip of my nose, and it did bunch up a little on the side, and it was removed a little on my chin. But honestly, I feel like the overall wear of it still looks really nice. And I think now, knowing how it wears and knowing that I'll get this intense shine and glow throughout the day, going forward, I'll use more powder to set it and just like do stuff to lock it in place more, now that I know how like creamy and hydrating and juicy it is on my skin. I'm so excited to continue to wear and play with this foundation. I've been looking for a product that would give my skin this really healthy, balanced glow and not feel heavy. That's another thing. Normally by this time when my face just like oily, I've been in my makeup all day, I normally just want to remove it all off right away, but this feels so lightweight and comfortable. So happy about that I'll leave everything linked down below. My eye makeup has also worn incredible. Other eyeshadow quads that I've tried at this price from the drugstore have gone on beautiful at first, but then by this time they're all like creasing on the eyelids and the colors aren't smooth, but I feel like my eye makeup still looks really good. I'm so glad I made these purchases. If you guys want to see more all-day wear tests, I do have another drugstore foundation that I want to do an all-day wear test for, so definitely consider subscribing so you can stay tuned for that. And yeah, if you want to see more makeup content, consider subscribing. I would love to have you here. Check out my TikTok and Instagram. I'm so active on there. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye. Oh, I love it.